Even if you look at the number of people.
Umuthi thirikari ni yaniriire ati andu angiana mahonete kumana na murimu uyu na gukinyeria ithabu ria aria mahonete 12.
This brings also a total of 12 persons who have been discharged and recovered so far. This is good news.
We are also in discussion with the government of Japan, who have developed an antiviral, African, which you guys might be aware of, which has shown very good promises, so that you can also be able to get some limited doses that our clinicians can also be able to try for COVID-19.
No na gukiri uguo andu 5 ni marwarite na kuongerera ithabu ria arwaru riria rikinyiirie andu 188 kuria hari acio 5 atatu ni akuma kaunti ya Nairobi na hari acio 5 atatu ni arume na 2 ni atumia. Oho mundu umwe kuma kaunti ya Mombasa ni akwite kumana na murimu uyu.
We have tested a total of 308 samples, out of which 5 people have tested positive for the coronavirus disease.
Na thutha wa gwikara keheri-ini makiria ciumia 3 andu aria maraigitwo kuo ageo ni metikiritio kuinuka kuria thirikari irigereire kuhinga kuria guothe maraikaraga kugikinyeria muthia-ini wa kiumia giki.
We are kindly appealing to fellow Kenyans to warmly receive those of us that were in those facilities and have since been released to go home. There should be no stigmatization.
In fact, we are doing testings from day 8 to day 10, the second testing, and if you turn negative, then we send you to continue self-quarantine at home.
Minister niarutite mukana kuria Kenya makiendwo kwaga kumagara kuma matura matiganite kana icagi hindi ino ya Easter. Na oho thirikari cia matura cikiurio kwa murathibitari iria arwaru a COVID-19 maririgitagwo niguo icio ingi citungatire aria marwarite mirimu ingi.
Wakati wa Pasaka, kwa sababu hakuna kazi watu wanaenda, ni lazima watu wakae nyumbani.
Oho ritana rikitio kuria huri biashara nini gwikirira wega mikana iria irekirwo.
Watu wetu sana sana wale mnafanya kazi katika soko, open markets, soko hizi zingine, watu wale wanaingia hiyo soko, ingefaa wewe useme ya kwamba ama ujue ya kwamba hao watu wanaingia wana virusi. Just assume that everybody is positive.
Minister ni aririkanirie muingi gutire njira ingi ya gwithema murimu uyu tiga kuiga utheru, gwikira itambaya cia kugitira kanua na maniuru na kwaga gukuhaniriria. Gilifotera Inoro TV, gitagwo muitiriri wa Wangari.